Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we are completed 9 problems in level 2. Now this is 10th problem. So see the question what they are given. The area of the region whose boundaries are defined by the curves y is equal to 2 cos x, y is equal to 3 tan x, and the y-axis. In between these three, what is the required area? So we have to find. Now see here, y is equal to cos x. Cos x range is -1 to 1. But to multiply with 2 means range is going to -2 to 2. 2 cos x range -2 to 2. So we get the graph like this. This is y is equal to, this is y equal to 2 cos x graph. Here point is 2. Now y is equal to 3 tan x. So this is approximately we get like this. This is center origin. The two curves are intersecting at point. What is that point? We need to identify. For suppose if you are taken x is equal to pi by 6, substitute in first curve, y is equal to 2 cos pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, we get root 3. And second curve, observe that y is equal to 3 tan x, 3 tan pi by 6, that is 1 by root 3. 3 by root 3, that is root 3. So at point x is equal to pi by 6, both curves are getting same value. So I think this point is pi by 6. And here y is equal to 2 cos x and y is equal to 3 tan x and y axis. So this is the required area. Okay, students. Now, how to find out the area? So required area is equal to integration 0 to pi by 6 upper curve, that is 2 cos x, minus lower curve, this is the curve y is equal to 3 tan x dx. Now apply the integration. Derivative of cos x, integration of cos x sin x minus, so here write the limit 0 to pi by 6 minus 3 into integration of tan x log secant x, limit 0 to pi by 6. Now see the first term, substitute upper limit sin pi by 6. How much, students? 1 by 2 minus sin 0, 0, minus 3 into, see here, log secant pi by 6, cos pi by 6, root 3 by 2, secant pi by 6 means 2 by root 3 minus secant 0, 1, log 1, 0. This is. Now, by observing the options, then calculate. 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1, minus 3 into, here, log 2 by root 3, that is in the form of log a by b. Log a minus log b. Log b means root 3. Root 3 we can write 3 power 1 by 2. Now 1 multiply with 3, 3 log 2, minus into minus, plus the 1 by 2 is coming in front of the logarithm, and multiply with 3 also. 3 by 2 log 3. This is the answer. So observe that which is the correct option. Second option is correct. Now students, see this 11th question. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x between the ordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 pi by 2. This is x is equal to 0. Now this is pi 2. This is pi. Now this is 3 pi by 2. 270 degrees. Now first draw that cos x curve. Cos x curve. Now this is cos x curve approximately. Okay. Now draw the sin x curve. Sin x curve. Sin is passing through origin. So we get like this. So this is pi. Now what about this angle? This angle approximately pi by 4. Now this angle is 5 pi by 4. This is 3 pi by 2. So here we are getting three different areas. Here is the one. This is another one. This is one more. This is the last area, shaded area, below the x-axis. Below the x-axis means, so we want to take negative, yes or no? So this curve is y is equal to cos x, and this is y is equal to sin x curve. Now, required area that is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. What is the upper curve here? Cos x, lower curve sin x. So that is the first shaded area, first part, dx. Now see the second part, limit. What is that? Pi by 2 to 5 pi by 4. What is the upper curve here? Sin x, lower curve cos x dx. Upper curve minus lower curve plus last area. Here the area is below the x-axis. So take that negative integration. What is the limit here? 5 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2. Here, what is upper curve? Cos x, lower curve sin x. Cos x minus sin x dx. Now apply the integration and substitute the limit. We get the answer. Here, student, this is not pi by 2. This is a pi by 4. So no. This is pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. These point. These are the point of intersection. By mistake, I'm written. This is also pi by 4. So substitute the upper limit in first term. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. Lower limit substitute 0. Sin 0 0. Cos 0 1. Now go to the second term. Minus cos x minus sin x is upper limit 5 pi by 4. Students, how to write? Pi plus pi by 4. This is third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos and sin both are negative now. Already negative is there. So it is going to positive. So cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. This is only upper limit. Now minus, go to the lower limit, minus cos pi by 4, minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4. Okay, so second term also completed. Now go to the third term, First upper limit 3 pi by 2 sine 270 minus 1 plus cos 270 0 minus, but already outside minus there, minus into minus plus sine 5 pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 cos 5 pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. Now these we want to simplify. Hello students, through the diagram, this area and this area representing same or not? Same. So that's why this is we are taken positive, positive. This is, and here also take positive only. No need to take the negative. I think this is positive. Now here also positive. This is positive. Here we get negative, negative. Now observe that 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root, that is root 2 minus 1 plus root 2 plus root 2 minus 1. Here also we are getting plus root 2. So total root 2, how many terms are there? 4. 4 root 2 minus 2. So these two areas is same. So we can take directly 2 times the area of integration 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x dx. No need to write the third one, but already I am written third one. That's why. So this is below x-axis, but take positive only. Take positive only. Students, all of you understood? So finally we got the answer 4 root 2 minus 2. Fourth option is correct. Students, see the 12th question. What they are given? Y is equal to root x given. That means y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. And another curve, y is equal to x cube. Y is equal to x cube. Now, both are intersecting at point 0, 0 and I think 1, 1 only. Okay, first draw the curve. Y square is equal to x. That is in the form of y square is equal to 4x. This is y square is equal to x. And y is equal to x cube means it will come like this. This is the curve. Okay, so what is the required area? This is the required area. Both are intersecting at origin and at 1, 1, 1, how we know that 1, 1? Solve these two, we get y square is equal to x. In place of y square, in place of y, substitute that, you get x power 6 is equal to x. X power 6 minus x is equal to 0. Take x common. Remaining x power 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. These values substitute any one of the curve. X is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 means y also 1. The point of intersections 0, 0 and 1, 1. Students, are you understood now? What is the required area? Required area is equal to, so what are the limits? 0 to 1. I am taking x values and take that upper curve. Y square is equal to y square is equal to x is the upper curve. Now what is y? Y is equal to root x minus lower curve x cube. Apply the integration. Root x mean that is x power 1 by 2. Apply the integration, we get x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x cube integration x power 4 by 4. Limit 0 to 1. Root x integration, that is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Substitute the upper limit. In first term you will get 2 by 3 minus second term 1 by 4. If you are substituted lower limit, you will get 0 only. Students, observe the LCM. 12, 8 minus 3 8 minus 3, how much? 5. So 5 by 12 is the answer. This is an easy question. Second option is correct. Now, see the 13th question. Y is equal to what they are given? Y is equal to x e power x and y is equal to x into e power minus x square. And the line x is equal to 1 given. So required area, take the limits, integration 0 to 1. So first I am taking first curve, x e power x minus x e power minus x, which is upper curve, which is lower curve, we don't know. That's why put modulus. Now, what is integration x e power x? So you know that formula, integration e power x, f of x dx, or instead of f of x, take x power n or x cube, anyone. So I'm taking x power n. So how to write? E power x into, or you can take f of x and no problem. F of x dx, e power x into, what is the formula? F of x minus f dash of x plus f double dash of x minus f triple dash of x. Triple dash means 3 times derivative, and so on. Plus c, this is the formula. So apply here, e power x into x minus x derivative 1. So what is the limit? 0 to 1 minus, same like that. How to do this? So instead of minus x, take t. Then what happened? Minus dx is equal to dt. Then dx is equal to minus dt. And limits also is going to change. So finally, those value we get plus integration minus 1 to 0 t e power t dt. Substitute these values, then it's going to convert. Now, this is same, plus here e power t. What is shortcut method? T minus 1. Limits minus 1 to 0. Now substitute upper limit in first function. What happened? E power 1, 1 minus 1, totally 0, minus. Lower limit, e power 0 is 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, overall you will get plus 1, plus. If you are substituted upper limit, so what you will get? And one more thing, e power 0, 1, 1 into 0 minus 1. Here we are getting minus 1, minus 1. 1 second. If you are substituted upper limit 0, here you will get minus 1. Minus, substitute lower limit, you will get e power minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, these two cancel. So this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 into e power minus 1. That is, we are getting 2 by e. Students, all of you understood? Now which option is correct? Third option is correct. Area of the region bounded by y is equal to mod x and y is equal to 2. First see here, draw the diagram. Y is equal to mod x. This is a curve. This is. Okay. And y is equal to means take here. This is y is equal to 2. And this is y is equal to mod x curve. Mod x curve. See here, total area it is symmetrical about y-axis. So total area we need this area, but I am going to find only one of the area. So this is first part, this is first part, this is second part. Both are same. So I'm going to find one of the part. So required area that is equal to 2 times integration that is y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. This is not 2, I think. 1 second. This is 2. Y is equal to means x is also 2. So finally, this line I am going to consider y what? Y is equal to x or not? Y is equal to x. Now 0 to 2 x dy, I am taking that x dy because this area I am going to find this area. 0 to 2 x dy, integration 0 to 2 x mean that is y only, y dy. What is integration y? Y square by 2, limit 0 to 2. So here 2 cancel, substitute upper limit and lower limit, you will get 4 minus 0. The answer is 4. Which option is correct? First option is correct. Students, all of you understood now? Next, I'm going to fifth question. Area of the region bounded by y is equal to mod x and y is equal to 1 minus mod x. First, to draw the graph, already we know that how to draw the graph y is equal to mod x. This is y is equal to mod x. Mod x. Now, what is y is equal to 1 minus mod x? Y is equal to 1 minus mod x. This is the curve. This is a graph. This is y is equal to 1 minus mod x. In place of x, put 0. Then what happened? You will get y value is 1. This is 0, comma 1. Students, all of you understood? Now, how to find this? How to find this? What about point of intersection? I think this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. How we know that? Solve both. Y is equal to mod x, y is equal to 1 minus mod x. See, both are equal. I am going to solve now. 2 mod x, that is equal to 1. So x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. Okay, students. Now these lengths should be 1. Now this is 1 by 2 means this is also automatically 1 by 2 only because y is equal to mod x now. 1 by 2 substitute any one of the curve. So total area is required. Required area is equal to 2 times I am going to find half of the area, this area. Half into base into height. Half into base 1, height 1 by 2. This length is 1. This is 1 by 2. Students, all of you understood? Now here 2 to cancel. 2 to cancel. What is the required area? 1 by 2. So third option is cancel. So why I am taking here 2? Total area is symmetrical about y-axis. So total area we need. Now 2 times into one of the area. So after calculation, we got the answer 1 by 2.